भगवान श्री योगी राम सूरत कुमार के सर्वं योगी राम सूरत कुमारार्पणमस्तु. With another story of glory, Nama's glory, Swami's glory. Everybody who comes to the ashram knows very well Sri Vallikanna, who is there at the counter in the office. Now 1.5, 2 years back, he wanted to go to Kailash. He is a Shiva Bhakta. He goes to Arunachaleshwara Mandir every day in the morning. And 2 years back, he had an intense desire to visit Kailash. So he found one Om Yatra services and paid 75,000 rupees. Not only he, there were so many other people who trusted this Om Yatra and paid 75, 80, 85,000. And then, after some time, they found out that it was a fake one, and the one who collected all this money ran away with that. And there was no program at all. So by the time they came to know about it, these people, some 60 of them, could do nothing about it. They felt very bad that they have lost money, but then what could they do about it? It's very, very difficult these days to get back money at all from anybody, especially one who has planned very well to cheat people. So what happened? He came to Pradhan Mandir, he prayed to Bhagwan, and he told me also about that. And then I gave him some notebooks to write. Just keep writing Bhagwan's Nama until you get the money. And of course he started to write. He was also sending prayer letter every week, one, which I would read out to Bhagwan. So we were attacking the problem with intense Nama chanting, Nama writing and prayer. So a few months went on. And in the meantime, that man was caught and he was thrown into jail. And then somehow, after some time, he came out also. And the Nama chanting continued, Nama writing continued, the prayer continued. And then surprisingly, to the delight of Mr. Vallikanna, this man came into contact with Vallikanna and said he would send the first installment of money. He would return. He promised he would return the money. Of course, none of us believed it, but still we believed in the Nama and its glory. So the Nama chanting, the prayer went on. And true to his word, this man returned some money by the first installment. And within almost 6 to 8 months, he returned all the 75,000 rupees. Unbelievable. Vallikanna said that no one else got back the money. He was the only one who got it back. So all that Nama chanting, all that Nama writing and praying did not go waste. It achieved the impossible. And of course, Vallikanna, being a devotee of Bhagwan, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, he knew it is by Bhagwan's kripa that he got the money back when no one else did. So he gave all that money as donation to the ashram itself. So today I chose this story because it concerns money. He not only lost the money, you see, he was inspired to go to Kailash. He paid the money. And then by Bhagwan's grace, by Bhagwan's Nama's glory, he got it back. And the Nama not only got the money back to him, it made him donate the money also. It made him do further punya, a meritorious deed. He offered it as the money offered to Shiva. So, this is another story which proves the glory of the name. Such is the glory of the name that today, being Akshaya Tritiya day, whatever good karmas that we do will multiply, and all our meritorious deeds will pay back in time, and what is more, it would multiply our spiritual intention as well, our spiritual practices. And so, dear devotees of Bhagavan, knowing what this Nama can do, there are several incidents, ever so many incidents which can prove again and again how the lost jewel, lost money could come back to us by His grace, by merely chanting His name. Only thing is we have to be a little patient and wait for the right moment, and the grace would choose the moment to return all that we have lost.